Hi, I'm Bex at Chloe in Sports Therapy. Just a very quick video just to show you how to stretch the muscles in your back of your lower leg. So we've got two muscles, the Gastrocnemius and the Soleus, which make up our calf muscle. So the Gastrocnemius comes across both sides, so it crosses the back of the knee and also the ankle, and then the Soleus muscle is slightly deeper and sits just down at the bottom, so it then comes down and just around the ankle. So there's two different ways that we can stretch these muscles. So one that will stretch the gastrocnemius, one that does the soleus. So I'm going to quickly just talk you through those. So if you stand with both feet pointing forward, so you've got one foot in front of the other, both feet pointing to the front, and we're going to keep both feet flat on the floor. What I want to do to stretch the gastrocnemius, keep that back leg nice and straight, so straighten that leg out, push the heel into the floor. I'm going to gently just bring myself forward, so I can bend that front leg, just bringing myself forwards, just until you feel that stretch, then coming up all the way from the ankle up into the back of the calf and up maybe into the knee as well, depending where it's tight. So we're holding it for about 30 seconds and then we can change sides over. So same thing, making sure feet in line with the hips pointing forwards, back leg straight, pushing that back heel into the floor, and then gently just bring yourself forwards just until you start to feel that stretch. So we're coming through from the hips rather than just leaning forwards here. So we're trying to increase the angle of our ankle. Now to stretch the soleus muscle, same kind of movement, so you might want to have your feet a bit closer together. So rather than keeping the back leg straight, now we're going to bend the knee, so that takes the pressure off the gastrocnemius, focuses down on the ankle, and we're trying to take that back knee down towards the floor. So you should feel that stretch much further down, almost like that Achilles kind of area down just above the ankle. Again, holding for about 30 seconds, coming back up, and then changing sides again. So again, you don't need to be quite so far forwards. Bringing that front foot in a little bit, and then we're bending both knees, so you can see that back knee's going down towards the floor. You've got a nice big angle on your ankle, and then gently stepping back out of it. So trying to do that a couple of times a day will just help keep everything loose to start off with, as it's really tight, and then as it starts to loosen off, just managing it. If you're doing a run or walk or anything like that, making sure you're warming up properly and then having a good stretch afterwards.